In 3, 2. So yeah, what is good, show fam? It's your boy Vince from the Vince Show Vlog. And yeah, we're here at Chicaron Lake. Yeah, and we're here because we're still gonna eat. And muad to me for mag-boating me. As you can see, there's the lake. But this is not the exact location where we will rent the yacht that we're gonna use. But same lake. Basta around the area. And yeah, we're here, we're getting ready. Before we go to the boating scene, we'll eat first. Alright, let's go!
A few moments later.
So yeah guys, mao na yung boat nga mga sakyan. It's kind of dili siya yung speedboat, dili siya yacht. Mura siya og flat nga boat, mura pontoon. It is pontoon. So yeah, we're still. So have that. So have there. Hi driver. Madam.
You're excited.
So yeah. Hope lingaw ra cause Aya, Nick, kompleto ang family except Kuya Lindy cause I work. So yeah, let's start off on. Peace and have fun, show fam. So yeah, we're here, we're grinding, we're living the life. And now siya parts na you need to go slow. You need to go slow cause policies, matikitan ka, muraragay pa siya gadrive og sakyanan. And by the way, we are at Bluff Lake. But this is still connected to the Chicaron Lake where we ate earlier. And yeah, right there we got our Captain Roy! Captain Jack Sparrow. So yeah, we're living the life! Hey! because we're about to take a swim or take a dip. Mga ligo na meron mga bad. Ano ha?
Come on, stand over here. You wanna look at the water.
So yeah, mga ligo na meron. And the whole family's right there. Annabelle, how's the water?
Answer, Annabelle.
Cold?
No.
Yeah, she's having fun. And if you're curious who's Annabelle, she's Mommy May's
Picture ni
how do you call Annabelle? Ka Mommy May? Sa Bisaya pa, si Mommy May mo nagbantay niya when she was a kid. Di ba, Mommy?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, hi. What's so good, mga?
Brad.
What's good, mga? Hi, mga.
Brad.
Hi, Brad.
Picture ni Sebastian na.
So yeah, I'll take a video of it. Using using the GoPro, I'll use ng mga Lego. So yeah, let's go. This is take 2 because Roynet nakalimut siya og press a record. So let's go. Mga Lego tagbalik in 3, 2. Woo! Your turn, Annabelle. Gas spear. So, nagpagasolina mi, and after this we're gonna go back to the marina. Kay mauli na mi, and that was good. 4 hours. 4 hours na no, mami? Yeah, 4 hours of boating, and yeah, that's it. Just gonna see you at the marina. Peace.
A few moments later.
So yeah, we just arrived at the dock, and it was a good timing. It's kind of raining a bit. Murag taligsik ra. And yeah, good timing. Kay we don't want to catch the rain in the water. Kay delikado. Wala kayong experience nga ni. Yeah, this is the first time. And Nek ba? Si Nek kay wa man na naligo gani ha. Ana na siya tuslop-tuslop, ana siya ligo-ligo. Angang, ano ya? Wa kaligo.
One, Brad? One.
So yeah, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, see you in the next video. See you soon. Oo. Iyang ipakita sa mga tao ang iyang umbrella. Oh. So yeah, so see you soon, mga Brad.